Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll show you how you can make wooden blocks. It's a pretty easy beginner's project, but it's fun to make. You can go to the store and pick up lumber that's already in the correct size, or you can mill it up yourself. I'm milling it up myself, so that's a lot of saw and planing work. But hey, who doesn't like a bit of planing if you have a planer? After planing, I sanded it smooth. I measured the width of my stock on the miter saw and now I can cut it into square blocks. This way we will move the fence and make the blocks step by step bigger. Sand all the blocks and edges smooth on the machine or by hand. I will use Rubio Monocoat to color my blocks, so I'm only sanding until 100 grit. Now that the blocks are finished, let's make a little box for them to sit in, a little display. I'm cutting a groove in my wood for the base. I'm using a little piece of plywood for the base. Cut a mitered frame in the correct size and then you can glue it all together. My battery died when I wanted to do this. And now I can finish it up with all the beautiful colors of Rubio Monocoat. I used oil plus 2C and hybrid wood projector colors. For the base I just used Pure from Rubio Monocoat. After 20 minutes you can wipe off the excess of the oil and then you're ready to play. I'll see you in one of my new videos. Bye!